Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy channel. How to fix Google Chrome won't open. When Google Chrome fails to open, it is usually because the Chrome is already running in the background, but not visible on the screen. It can be a very frustrating experience when Chrome does not open, especially if you badly need to browse a website but wants to use Chrome browser. In this video, we have gathered troubleshooting solutions that you can do to fix Chrome won't open issue to be able to use Chrome again in no time. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button for more troubleshooting videos. First solution, and task all Chrome processes. There are instances when Chrome fails to launch, despite multiple attempts, is because Chrome is already running in the background as mentioned. Closing all processes associated with Chrome may resolve the issue. To do this, right-click on Start or Windows. Click Task Manager option. Then, click Google Chrome process, and then click End Task tab. After that, relaunch Chrome and then check if it will now open. If not, proceed to the next solution. Second solution, open Chrome with compatibility settings. It is possible that Chrome fails to open due to issues with compatibility settings. Fortunately, adjusting the compatibility settings can often resolve issues with the application not launching. By configuring compatibility settings, you can enable the application to run on older versions of Windows. To do this, right-click on Google Chrome icon and then select Properties from the drop-down menu. Then at Properties window, click Compatibility tab. Under Compatibility mode, check Option. Run this program in compatibility. Then select Windows 8. Click Apply to apply changes made, then click OK to exit. Relaunch Chrome and then check if it will now open. If not, proceed to the next solution. Third solution, remove Chrome's user data default folder. The Chrome default data folder can be found in the App Data folder where it houses various user profile configurations including cookies, passwords, search history, cache, and other browser data. If default data folder is removed, Chrome will function as if it was just installed. Also, removing default data folder will also delete corrupt files if there are any that's causing Chrome to not open. To do this, press Windows plus R keys to run dialog box. At run box, type app data, then press enter. Next, click local folder, then click Google folder, then click Chrome folder, and then click user data folder. After that, right-click on default fold and then select copy. Then paste the folder anywhere on your computer. In this case, I will paste it on my desktop. Now going back to the default folder, right-click again and then select delete. Wait for the process to complete as it can take some time depending on your computer. Once folder has already been deleted, relaunch Chrome and then check if it will now open. If not, proceed to the next solution. Fourth solution, temporarily disable antivirus program. As previously mentioned, modifying the Google Chrome.exe file can resolve the issue at hand. But it is also possible that your Windows Defender or third-party software blocked access to the Google Chrome.exe file. Try to disable temporarily Windows Defender or third-party antivirus to fix this problem. To do this, click Start, click Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. Click Update and Security, then click Windows Security at left pane, then click Virus and Threat Protection. Next, click Manage Settings. Toggle off the option Real-Time Protection. Close Windows Security window, relaunch Chrome, and then check if it will now open. If not, proceed to the next solution. Fifth solution, reinstall Google Chrome. If none of the solution mentioned fix Chrome not opening issue, you will now have to reinstall the browser. It is likely possible that the browser itself is having issues, that is why it will not open. App data folder should be deleted first before reinstalling Chrome, but since we were able to delete app data folder a while ago, there's no need to do that anymore. To do this, press Windows plus R keys to run dialog box. At run box, type appwiz.cpl, then press enter. Locate and right-click on Chrome. Select Uninstall tab. Wait for uninstall process to complete. After uninstall process is complete, you may now download Chrome from its official website and follow install instructions. Launch newly installed Chrome browser and then check if it will now open. And that's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.